मिरर मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक। आप लोगों ने इस टेक्निक के बारे में सुना होगा. You must have heard about this technique a lot, and let me tell you that this is a very, very powerful technique. You may use mirror to just check your reflection or do something very, very powerful, such as quantum jump. And by the end of this video, you would know all about it. That is my promise, that when you leave this video, you will leave as a very, very powerful person. Hi, this is Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I am a success manifestation coach. लोगों की सक्सेस मैनिफेस्टेशन कराना मेरा काम है. And if you're watching my content for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of content which is very, very practical and you may not want to miss it. All right. So let's begin with mirror manifestation technique and what it is all about. So सिर्फ एक मिरर चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. Let me get my mirror. Here's my mirror. And what I can do with the mirror is, of course, I can look at myself. Yeah, I look nice. That's all we do. We look at our reflection sometimes. We lack our self-love कि हम अपने आप को भी ध्यान से नहीं देखते. So, of course, with mirror, the first thing that you can do is generate your self-love. So, every time you look in the mirror, you see yourself as with that kind of love that you have for yourself. So this is the thing number one which you're going to do. Nothing else you want. You would manifest self-love first in the mirror when you see yourself in the mirror. So that is the first thing. क्योंकि अगर आप वो लोग हैं जो कभी अपने आप को शीशे में देखते ही नहीं है, and you only see yourself when you're brushing your teeth or probably you are combing your hair, then sorry to say, mirror manifestation is not for you. All right. So the first thing that you need to do is generate self-love using mirror. Every time you see yourself, say something nice to yourself. जैसे मेरी एक स्टूडेंट है, वो बोलती है मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. मूवी से उसने डायलॉग मारा है, but so relevant and it works for her. So why not? Anything you want to say to yourself, I look good, I look pretty, whatever, or I love myself as I am amazing as I am, whatever you want to say, see yourself in the mirror and say it. You look good. Yes, I tell myself that. So that is number one, what you have to do using the mirror. Now, after all this, once, for a few days, you have started affirming self-love to yourself using the mirror, then let's start getting into the deeper manifestations, which can be done using the mirror manifestation techniques. Now, number two is framing intention. What is it that you want to manifest using the mirror? It could be SP, it could be a new role in your workplace, it could be a totally new life. Like when I was not a coach, there was a period that I was not working. So I manifested this, how my life would be as a coach using mirror manifestation techniques. So two manifestation techniques are my very much favorite. One is journaling and one is mirror manifestation technique. And I will exactly tell you that how the manifestations can be done using it. But the step number two is framing an intention. And this intention has to be very, very crystal clear that, I want to manifest this. And it could be your SP, it could be a new car, it could be totally new you, whatever you want, decide it. And then let's start getting into the manifestation techniques. The third thing, which is after you have decided that what is it that you want to manifest. Now you could frame a set of affirmations for this. Let's say I want to be a coach. Like I'm giving my example. And when I work closely with people, then I, very, very closely frame affirmations with them, their affirmations, who they want to be. And affirmations are related to their goals. Now, for me, I am a coach whose students get results. This is my affirmation. I am a coach whose coaching sells like hot cakes. This is my affirmation. I am a coach whose money is counted by her CA. That is my affirmation. I am a very, very high energy coach and I do endless things in a day. That's my affirmation. Now, just like that, who you want to be, what do you have? You frame your affirmations. This is what you need to do after deciding what is it that you want to manifest. You frame the affirmations that who this person is who's having all that. और एसपी को मैनिफेस्ट करने की टेक्निक थोड़ी सी अलग है, तो मैं अभी बता देती हूँ उसमें क्या करना होता है. इफ यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग योर एसपी, देन you would frame the statements that you want your SP and you to say to each other. Like, ये मेरा SP है, and I'm saying to my SP, I love you and you love me. Then this is my affirmation. I love and respect you, you love and respect me. I can speak my truth fearlessly in front of you, and you can do the same with me. We are very well coordinated. We are confident with each other. We are powerful with each other. Could be your affirmations for your SP. These are my kind of affirmations that I want in my life partner. And I have a life partner. I'm married to Vivek Narayan Sharma. And it is not that once you have manifested a partner, then you don't need to manifest anything else. You still need to manifest the kind of love that you want. And you can do it with the mirror. Visualize that this person is with you. And then you can say these affirmations, like I will tell you in the next steps. Then first you will do self-love, then you will frame intention. Afterwards, you go and frame your affirmations or dialogues with your SP. Now let's get into the fourth step, which is a very, very powerful step. And I call it quantum jump because it is. And it will not happen in the first go. It's about practice, practice, practice. And then you would be converting this simple manifestation technique into a very, very powerful quantum jump technique. And I'll tell you what it is. So, when you are looking in your eyes, this is the fourth step and most important step. And as it gets deeper, it becomes quantum jump. So, just understand, as I'm looking myself in the mirror and I say these affirmations to me, I am looking in my eyes, assuming that I am that person. Let's say I don't have a Rolls Royce currently, and I'm just giving you another example. So let's say this is my affirmation. I have many cars, and Rolls Royce is one of them. And when I say this affirmation, I look in the eye and I am seeing that Shilpa, that person who has many cars, and Rolls Royce is one of them. That is exactly how I'm going to see myself. I'm seeing that woman. I'm seeing that Shilpa who has many cars and has Rolls Royce is one of them. And that's how I'm going to see it. Now, this is powerful because when it generates that feeling in your heart, you are doing the manifestation technique absolutely right. And after a practice of few days or weeks, it gets so deep that my connection with the mirror when I see myself is so strong that I exactly see that person and I jump into that character and I become that person. That is quantum jump. So it's like I look in the mirror and I become that person. I become that frequency. I begin to attract that. And I literally jump into that character who has all of that. And this is so powerful that this just turns your life around. And this is beauty of a simple mirror, if just used right. This knowledge is very, very dangerous. And if you have it, you can do wonders. It takes belief, consistency, practice, and expertise. And as you master this technique, you would be just unstoppable. You go anywhere, let's say you have to give a presentation, or you have to speak on the stage, or you have to achieve something, right? Just see yourself in the mirror, in the eyes, say those affirmations, and become that person. I'm the person who's a great public speaker, who's well known, and I become that. And then go there and do it. Piece of cake. I'm a manifestation coach whose students are damn successful and the most powerful and influential people of the world. Nail it. That's how it is done. I hope you liked the video and please leave your comments, whatever you want to say about this technique. And when you try it, tell me what it made you feel and keep coming back for more. Stay tuned. Bye bye.